Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add order tracking page on your Shopify store for free. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Welcome to a new tutorial video. Today I'll demonstrate how to add an order tracking page to your Shopify store for free. There are actually multiple options to achieve this, and I'll cover two options in this video. The first method involves using app from the Shopify store. However, these apps often come with limitations on the number of orders per month. If your store exceeds 50 or 100 orders monthly, you may need to upgrade to a premium plan. Now onto the second method, which is completely standalone and doesn't require any apps. With this approach, you can create your own order tracking page, allowing your customers to easily track their orders directly from your Shopify store. The page will be simple yet functional. If you are familiar with HTML customization, you can make it visually appealing and tailor it to match your store's colors and theme. In this tutorial, we'll be using code that utilizes the track platform, but more importantly, there's no need for any Shopify apps or additional installations. I'll provide you with the necessary code and walk you through the process step by step. All you have to do is copy the code and paste it where I'll guide you. Without further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. As you can see, I'm accessing the Shopify dashboard because that's essentially what we'll be using to create the page and sync it with the notification email that customers will receive when ordering from your Shopify store. The first step we're going to take is creating the page. On the left side panel of the screen, which serves as shortcuts for navigation here in Shopify, click on Online Store, then go to the Pages. You'll be directed to the pages you currently have in your Shopify store. As you can see, I don't have any yet because this is a new account that I am using. And then on the upper right corner of your screen, click the Add Page button and you'll be redirected to this page right here. This is the page where we will be pasting the code that I mentioned earlier, but before that, click the button to show the HTML option, and you're gonna ensure that you select HTML because we will be entering an HTML command. If you don't click this button, the page will not run as it's supposed to. I'll provide a code under the video's description, and when you type it into your web browser, you should have a page like this. And then in the section, you will need to copy the first code right here. This is for the tracking page. As you can see, it's a tracking page script, so we're just going to copy the script from here until at the end of the script right here. Just right click and click copy, and then after that, we're gonna go back to the Shopify and we're gonna be pasting it over here. You can just Command V and it will be added shortly. The next step is naming the page. The page will be named Order Tracking, so let's type it in here. Once you have a screen like this, the next thing we're going to do is save this. To do that, on the upper right corner of your screen, you have a save button, or you can also save it from here. Click on save and your page will be saved shortly. Here is how your page will look. Customers needs to type in the tracking number and click track. Then they will get a page displaying the product shipping status or any relevant information. The next step, as I mentioned, is to sync the email that the customers will receive with this page. And by the way, if you click this over here, you will see a full view of your page. So here it is, showing how the page looks when your customer wants to track their orders. I'm also going to show you how to add this page to your menu. In fact, I'll do that first before demonstrating how to sync the email. And so to do that, let's go back to our dashboard, and then on the left side panel of the screen, click on Navigation, and then I want you to select the main menu over here at the center of your screen, and after that, click on Add a Menu Item. Then over here, I want you to click the Search or Paste a Link option. Once you click that, you will see options. Here we have the Home page, Search, Collections, Products, and Pages. I want you to click on Pages since we are adding a page to the menu. Then just click the Order Tracking page. And then once you're done, on the bottom right corner, hit the Add button and it will be added to your menu item shortly. Afterwards, just click the Save menu over here to save the changes. And now let's go back to the other tab and check if it's added to the menu bar. And now let's go back to the other tab and check if it's added to the menu bar. You're gonna need to refresh this tab first, and perfect, as you can see it is now added to your menu. Then let's proceed with syncing the email together with the order tracking page. To do that, we're gonna need to go back to the dashboard, and from here on the bottom left corner of your screen, just click Settings, and from this panel over here, you're gonna have to look for the notification option, and once you have found it, just click on it. And now you're gonna need to scroll down and look for the shipping section. Once you've found it, click on the shipping confirmation option and you will be redirected into this page. If you're not familiar, well, this is your default confirmation email for your store. And the reason why we're here is we're going to change this one with the code that we were using on the order tracking page. So to do so, just click the edit code, and then as you can see, we have the default HTML that we will need to delete because we'll be replacing it with the HTML from order tracking code. So just select all or Command A, then hit delete. Once deleted, we're gonna go back to the order tracking code, and here as you can see, we have the order tracking script, but I want you to scroll down and you will find the confirmation email script. And so this is the script that we're going to copy and we'll be pasting over to the Shopify. And very important note here as you read this, important change page URL in the script. So we're going to change the URL from the script, which is when you scroll down, this one over here, and we'll be replacing this one with the order tracking page URL back in Shopify. But for now, let's copy the HTML and let's go back to the Shopify. And this is where we will be pasting the code. So to do so, just Command V or right click and paste it here, and you will have it here. Then scroll down and find the page URL in the script that I showed you on the other tab. So it's over here, so we're going to remove this. Let me select this first and make sure you don't include the quotation marks. And once removed, we're going to copy the order tracking page URL, and then once you have copied it, we're going to go back to the Shopify and paste it between the quotation marks over here. So you are all set up from here. You're just going to need to save this. So to do that, on the upper right corner of your screen, just click the save button and it will be saved shortly. And then you can do a preview. Just click this preview button and you will have the actual email that will be sent to your customer once their order is confirmed. You have here the details like the order number, tracking number. You even have a button there to track your order or a shortcut to visit the store. Just figure things for yourself. And as I said, if you are good with HTML, you can customize everything about this page. And so you are all set from here. You can even send test email if you want to. And that's basically it on how to add order tracking page on Shopify. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope I helped somehow and made a difference. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, just comment down below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye!